2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, cruise control, security system, CD player, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.